It's getting blow dried.
Strange doggies this relaxed. He's usually really crazy.
Excuse me. They like the blow dryer.
He doesn't like being pet.
I'm gonna get behind you, okay?
Little Bob climbed into my pocket. He's dying.
No, he's shivering.
He's dying. He loves that. Okay, like this. It's kind of weird because usually Foggy's like crazy, and now he's like.
Yeah, he's usually just
it's like
hyper.
It's like a stone.
Let me see her. There we go. Aww.
Look at his little sad head.
Oh, look. Oh. Do it to Cayenne. Do it again. Oh, isn't that cute?
I think we should get into this. Oh, I think they're good. What do you guys think?
Huh?
Ow. Now let's see if he still lets you pet him if the blow dryer's not on. Aww.
He does? Is he letting you pet him?
Yeah, it's weird. Oh, okay.
Oh, there was a little hiss.
Look at this. You guys look at that. That's so cute.
Aww.
I think he's dying.
Shall
You
we
want to take a
go?
picture of this?
Yeah, I'll take a picture.
Okay. We need to get
Of him, okay?
Eventually. They'll fall out. The more you bathe them and stuff, the softer their skin will be. So more new.
Alright, they're all blow dried.
You want to take a picture?
I'm making a
this.
movie actually. Oh, look at him. He's so
chill.
relaxed.
Oh, buckle.
Not 100%. Maybe 99.9% chilled.
I like his antenna. No, he has blood. There's blood all over me.
Yeah, from his toenail.
Clean up?
You want to put him on your shoulder?
I want to, but I don't want him biting me. Come on, climb up, climb up. You guys want to go in the other room now? Why can't he climb up? Oh, he's probably just wants to lay right there. But now he sits right there on me all the time. He would be soft, but
We're building a better relationship with our birds here. Doesn't it hurt, Shell?
Yeah, he's on my clothes.
Yeah, good birdies.
I'm gonna Ah, bubble.
Up, he's gonna climb up on you.
Great, Matt and Michelle.